Hi, good morning or good day, wherever you are. This is our global webinar, Real-Time Daily Trade Ideas. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market screening, and maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side live in the webinar and directly answered in the webinar. Also today, it's Thursday, 18th of October 2018. So let's have a nice start like every day. And like every day, we will start with our risk disclaimer. Forex and CFD are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. If you are a startup, please start with a demo account and make yourself familiar with long trading, short trading, leverage trading, and your personal risk management. If you'd like to read all documents or anything about Admiral Markets, just go to one of our web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and there you can see, for example, the key information documents, the kits, or anything else what you maybe like to see and read about us. Also some information and different offers about retail clients and professional clients. If you are in the European Union, since August 2018, there's a different regulation by the ESMA. Retail clients and professional clients will have different options. If you are a professional client, you can apply for it if you are eligible for it, and then you get a different margin requirement and a different leverage to choose. A picture shows more than 1,000 words, 2 prominent examples, DAX 30 and also Euro dollar. You see here the different margin requirements. But it's not available for anybody, only if you're a eligible professional client. Retail clients will get an unlimited protection against negative balances, a professional client not by the regulation. But some brokers and also, of course, Admiral Markets have an additional protection. We call it a negative balance protection policy. Here also professional clients will get a protection up to 50,000 British pounds, what is round about 70,000 euro. All details, all pros, all cons, everything to find on our webpage, and here displayed the specific link. This is me. My name is Jens. My English made in Germany. We are big international Forex and CFD brokers at my markets. So over 18 country offices. My English made in Germany, but I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. This is our scheme. On Monday, it's Jay's day. On Tuesday, it's Paul's day. On Wednesday, it's Giancarlo's day. On Thursday, like today, it's Markus' day. And on Friday, it's DAX day, our leading day traders live every business day, every trading day to the same time. And it doesn't matter if you are a retail client or professional client, everybody gets the same great spreads and conditions. For example, DAX 30 or also Euro dollar, typical actual spread of just 0.8 points or pips during main trading hours without additional commission. Check it out on admiralmarkets.com or contact us via phone, via mail, whatever you like to do. Thanks for listening to my introduction, and now time to giving up to the day trader. Good morning, good day, Markus. What's your view to the markets today?
Wonderful. Good morning, everybody. Thanks, Jens, for the great introduction. This morning, let's see my screen for you. Yes, here we are. Wonderful. Good morning to everybody, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor to be with you in this webinar here. Thanks for Admiral Markets for the opportunity to show you my trading approach, to show you my trading view about the different markets. I hope you're doing good. You had a great night and a great day. And it's a powerful and a full of energy day, and this is so much important for our trading. And you can see in the chart, the slide, actually success is not a fantasy, it's a formula. And you can see we have high probabilities if we make trend trading and if we make trades outcoming of the correction. And additionally, we use our rules in trading. You need a trend, you need the correction, at least 38%, you need a very young trend, then you have to wait until you get the right signal, like balance candle in Heikin Ashi, and rule number 5 to get inside in the market. And you will see the targets by Fibonacci and our market profile. I put 2 different links in the chat box. You can see it. First of all, you can follow my account by Admiral Markets here by Forex Factory. If you want, click on the link. The name is Dauhar Master. There you can follow my trades. You can make the same trades if you want. It's your decision and your own risk, of course. And if you want to use the new market profile indicator, you can see the second link. There you can make your own market profile because you get this indicator there. So you can see first of all the account history. We didn't finish any trade, but not really important. You can see we have 3 trades, and we are very, very far in the game. First, you can see we prepared it last week, Aussie Canadian dollar. Maybe you made the same trades like me, then you are in the winning zone as well. And you can see we said divergence, seasonals are facing upwards. We are market profile, like the market profile in an extremely zone. The price, the point of control is very far above us. Now, there was the reason we made our trend. And you can see we are so far in the move, so far in the winning zone. And as I told you, every week, the price will go back into the fair value zone. That's nature. That's the pure trading, ladies and gentlemen. This is the pure trading because it's the behavior of every kind of price. The price is sometimes too cheap, sometimes too expensive, but most of the time the price is fair valued. And this is the reason why the trades with the highest, with the most highest probabilities is outcoming of a trend, outcoming of an extremely zone, back in the fair value zone, back to the point of control. And as you can see, the price made exactly that what I told you, but it's not up to me. That's not my idea. It's the pure trading, and the market profile indicator can show you: are you extremely valued or are you fair valued with any price you traded? It's about the DAX, the Dow, the currency, the shares, the energies, or whatever you want to trade. It's always the same. And as you can see, we are very, very far in the gain. And I stopped, or I put my stop loss a little bit lower here, but we are very far. That's great. And the target, you can see, lies very, very far away, because I have my behavior. I let the market decide how much money I will get from it. It's the decision of the market, not yours. And if you make it to your own behavior, this kind of trading, you will see, you will surprise how often you will make more money than you expected before you start the trade. Or Euro Canadian dollar. Look at this one. There, here we will say upwards as well, because we said the rebound here at the point of control, here at this point, and you can see the price go up. And this is our trade in the hourly chart. You can see first step, we are very far. We went very deep inside the fair value zone, and here we are now a little bit back, but now we are on the way, on the road back to the price of to the point of control. And it's so awesome. It's so awesome and so easy, because you are responsible for your own success. The market will give you the money, but it's your decision to take it. But only if you have rules, hold on your rules, and if you have a lot of discipline. If you want to learn it, come into my trading community, Know-How Trading. If you want, we can learn it together in our community. And next one, New Zealand US dollar. We prepared it like divergence, like little bit rising upwards, let's see, seasonals, and we are very far in an extreme zone. You can see the price of the point of control is very far above of us. So we are in so much space to make a long trade. This is the reason. Look at this one, it's so awesome. Look at this one. We had here our trend. We went inside in the market, and now trend correction movement. We are, what did we reach? Look at this one, it's amazing. We reached our point of control back. That's real trading, ladies and gentlemen. And it's so easy. The challenge is taking place in your mind, not in a trading approach. It's so easy. We are using the pure nature of trading. Trend based on movement, and correction based on supply and demand. That's the pure kind of trading. And we use market profile. We use the knowledge, is the price fair value or is it not? And if you have a situation where the price is not fair valued, the price will go back into the zone where is it fair valued. So this is the task of the stock exchange. This is the task of trading. Hi, this is that green and red fair value zone indicator. No, this is a market profile. You can see in the checkbox, that's the link, you will get more information. This is the profile indicator. You will find it not in the navigator or in any MetaTrader. It's an own developed indicator. So, and you look at this one. Can you remember? We prepared it last week, last Thursday. I said, look, the big picture shows you in the daily chart, Euro, Aussie dollar. You see the double high on the in a unfair valued zone. Here you can see we are in extremely zone, and we see the rebound here on this yes, more than one time the price rebounded here on this point. And look at this one, the price of control is very far below us, so there's a lot of space, and look at what happened. Great, awesome, absolutely awesome. You can see we had here our trend, this was our trend, then we saw that the price came back to the point of control, and here we rebounded again, and now the trend is continuing to the lower side. And what has happened? We reached our first target here, and now we are on the road to continue the trend. It's so amazing. It's absolutely a great kind of like this trading, like this one. And it's only the pure. It's not difficult. It's not a rocket science. It's only trend and the knowledge if you are fair valued in your price or if you are not. And the best situation are if you are not, because then you know the price will go back inside of the fair value zone. So, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, I see the question, how you will define the trend line break in New Zealand US dollar. Here we are. Yes, I saw there's a little bit a trend break here. You are right, you're completely right. Here there's the trend break. Let me see. Here was the trend break. But be patient. I will show you the following thing. It's a great education service here. Look at this one. Let me show you. You can see there was the movement, but if you want to have a trend continuation, Aleph, you need a close below or in this special point above this point 2, but you didn't. You didn't. Only spikes. They tested if there are more buyers, but there are not. There were not more buyers. So the price come back, and in this case, the right point, the correction point will place here. So actually, and in real, you didn't have a trend break here. It's only a little bit corrective trend, no more and no less. But you can see all this happened in the fair value zone. That doesn't matter, because in the fair value zone, the price is fair value. So it can go down, it can go up. Doesn't matter, because and you will see the price will stabilize in here at the point of control. So first of all, because you didn't have a trend continuation here, so that you don't have a trend break. So it's still a long trend, and now the price will go back to the point of control. It's really easy. It's not a rocket science. Okay, I have a trading idea for the next days, and this is the meaning Euro Japanese yen. You're very welcome, Aleph. I hope you're doing good with that. The big picture in the euro Japanese yen shows you an uptrend. You can see it. Maybe it's not so difficult. Look at this one. First of all, movement, correction, movement, and now you can see the price is stabilizing here at the point of control. It's awesome. It's so easy. You can see, and if the price will go above, it will go up. It's facing upwards. We will see a trend. Siri is talking to me. Why? So here you can see we have a stabilizing here at the point of control, and now a trend continuation is more likely than a trend break. That's my old speeches. You heard it every week. But now, additionally, you can see the stabilizing here at the point of control. And furthermore, you can see we have seasonals. They are facing upwards. All of that shows me the opportunity that I can make a long trade in my hourly chart. And now, what you can see here, you can see, we will see here a facing upwards trend. Movement. Here's the point of control. Can you see? Here's the stabilize, here the point of control in the fair value zone. It's awesome. Correction. And now we are in the next move. Wait if the next move will finish, and then we will go back to the point of control. Then you will see here balanced candles in Heikin Ashi, and then you can go upwards. Then you can speculating on the trend continuation in the same direction as the big picture. And this is a great opportunity to make a long trade in euro against the Japanese yen. So from where will I be able to get the indicator on the right side, showing the different value zones? You can see I put it in the chat box. There you can get this indicator. It's not really put it in the chat box. You can see it in the chat box. I put there the indicator. Or go on my homepage. This is the same one, dow-trading.com. You will find the same. So we have just 2 minutes. Let's take a look at the DAX. And the DAX is in a really interesting situation. So let's see daily chart. Let's see this one. So look at this one. First of all, we are in the downtrend. You can see movement, correction, but everything has happened in the fair value zone. Green is the fair value zone. Movement, and can you see how the price stabilizing the point of control? Here's the best place where supply and demand will balance. Here is the best place. That's the point of control here. But now you can we saw the rebound, correct, but it's only a trend, no more, no less. You can see movement, correction, movement, and now it's a normal correction, and the correction has a lot of space up to the point of control back, and you can see the seasonals are facing upwards as well. So there's only one direction we have to make trades, inside or in direction of this space up to the point of control, background 12,292 points here. How you can make it in hourly chart, for example? Let's see. Only long, of course. Only long. Where we'll see here. Let's see. Long. No, long here. Yes, the long. So look at this one. Great opportunity. First of all, you can see we have a long trade. We had a correction. Everything has happened in an extremely zone, the red zone, market profile. And as you know, in a normal behavior, the price will go back to the point of control or back in the fair value zone. And based off the seasonals, maybe we have the trend continuation up, so you can make a trade inside of back to the fair value zone and of course a long trend. Maybe you will see in the Dow the same behavior, but not. There's a little bit difference. You can see you are in the fair value zone already. Please don't make any trades in the fair value zone because everything can happen. You don't have any probabilities on your side. That's really important. Don't make trades inside of the fair value zone unless you are at extremely points like point of high, point of control, or point of low. So let's see how we can make trades with this behavior. Thanks a lot for your attention in this webinar. It's a great honor for me to guide with you through the markets. If you want to have more information, you know where you will find me on my homepage. I'm looking forward to get in contact with you. Thanks to Admiral Markets to being a part of this great webinar series. And with this in our mind, I wish you a wonderful day, a great rest of the week. Enjoy the rest of your day. And with this in our mind, back to Jens.
Thank you, Markus. Tomorrow is another day. To hope to see you all again to the same time, 5 days a week, 5 different traders. So tomorrow, real-time daily trading ideas, also with DXN. And if you'd like to see and watch this again, a couple of hours later, it will be available on our YouTube channel as a recorded video. Just go to youtube.com/AdmiralMarketsFX and you can find it there. Thanks and have a great day and good trades. Bye-bye.